This is a combo box from the customtkinter library. We are going to see how it works and what's weird about it. CTkComboBox from the customtkinter library, and I used a frame as a master. The command, I set it to this function callback, but it has one parameter. When we've seen the checkbox, it didn't have any parameter. It will print command triggered and also will print the selected choice from the combo box. We have the values, a simple list of strings from 1 to 5, and then I set a variable, a string variable that has this value any. So this is why when we run the combo box, we see this any, the first value of the combo box, even if the combo box itself doesn't have this value or doesn't have any in its list of values. The other weird thing about the customtkinter combo box is that we can set it to any value. For example, here we have our list of values from 1 to 5. Then I'm going to call or click on this button set value. That will simply call this method set with the value any value that we know is not in the list of values. So if I click on it, we can clearly see that the value on the combo box got this value. If I use get, it will return any value. The same thing here if I access the variable. So how I associated this with the call offset, I simply also, like for the other buttons, I called or used lambda to call the access function with the parameter 2. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.